Let's make nacho cheese kale chips. The recipe I'm using today I took from SimNet Nutrition. Link in the description below. So I'm adding a 1/4 cup of soaked cashews to a blender, a red capsicum, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, and some salt. The onion powder is my homemade stuff. Now 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This gives it the kind of cheese flavour. And then finally, a tablespoon of vinegar. Here we go. Try to mix it into a paste in a blender. And it comes out like this. Mine's not as liquid as in the recipe. And here's a bowl of kale harvested from my garden. This is Russian red kale. Now add the paste to the kale chips and get your hands in there and get them coated. Just keep going and going and going. Make sure you get it all over there. I'm using a metal cake stand to put my kale chips on. The gaps allow more airflow, and I find the kale chips cook better. I cook the kale chips quite low, around 120 degrees C, for about 15 to 20 minutes. You just need to check on them and make sure they don't burn. And here we are, the finished product, out of the oven. They're still green, yet crisp and crunchy. Enjoy!